Good day, beauty queens. So today I have an unboxing for you guys. I have a dupe palette from the brand Hush, and this palette is called the Sugar palette. And this is a dupe for the peach palette from Too Faced. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and pick it up. It's a pretty nice, decent size. It's about the same size as the peach palette from Too Faced. Now, I do not have the peach palette from Too Faced, but I have seen it, I have touched it, and I have swatched it at Sephora. So, I'm gonna go ahead on and open this for you guys. This is an unboxing, but I have opened it already, but I have not swatched. So this is kind of a cheat unboxing. Kind of because of the fact that I did open it. I'm going to sit my camera down a little bit and open this for you guys. So again, I have opened the box already. I just haven't swatched the colors. So that's the box. And here is exactly what the palette looks like. It's in this like tin container, which I actually like because this is easy to clean. It's not like suede or anything like that. So if you do get colors on the outside, it's gonna be easy to just wipe it off with a paper towel or something. And I just accidentally stuck my finger in one of the nails opening that for you guys. But anyway, so you open it just like this. It has a mirror, which is really good. The fact that it has a mirror, I'm not gonna show in the mirror because my hair is not done. And yeah, but as you can see the mirror. But I will show like the colors. I just accidentally stuck my finger in that color. It has a plastic little topper, which all for the most part shadows have. And these are the colors. I have not swatched these colors yet, so I will be swatching them in this video. So let's sit my camera down right quick again. Excuse the plastic. I had to put the plastic on here because oh, here's the box. Let me show you the box right quick. I showed you guys a little bit. I don't want to show all of the box because it has my address on it, but it comes in this pretty light baby pink box that says Hush on each side, just like it says right here, and that's really cute. So the packaging of the Hush brand is really good. So I'm gonna start swatching for you guys. I'm just gonna do light swatches on my finger. So that's what that looks like. And it's swatching really nicely. Like, it's not patchy. Let's get a darker color. This color is a little patchy. This color is called Blueberry Pie. It's a little patchy from my first swatch. I had to swatch another one. The first one that I swatched was called Hot Mocha. And all of the names on this palette is like dessert names. I don't know if you guys can see them, but you got caramel brulee right there, whipped cream, latte. Like, a lot of these names are just like the peach palette. They have dessert or sweet names. Pistachio. Let's swatch pistachio. It's just like this green color. Licorice is like a green too, but a much darker green. That swatched pretty good. So both of those swatched good. You got gingerbread up top, which is like a shimmery brown, like really be good for your crease area. So the swatches are swatching pretty good. Let's swatch a light one. Let's swatch cherry pie over here. This is cherry pie right there. Cherry pie is like this beautiful frosted pink color. Oh, that would be pretty for the summertime. Love that. So these are the swatches so far. The other swatches I put on my hand right quick. The one that didn't swatch that good, and then the mocha, hot mocha, I put those on my hand right quick in case you guys know I only have 5 fingers and I was swatching the same hand, and the other ones went away for a little bit because I quickly rubbed it on my hand. But yeah, so those colors are pretty. I think overall this is a good palette. I would rate this a 9 for the simple fact that I haven't actually used them yet. The reason why I'm not rating it a 10 is because like I haven't used the palette yet actually on my eyes. And if you know anything about eyeshadows, you know they can swatch differently on your eyes than they do on your fingers or any parts of your other hand. So I just swatched some on my hand right quick, the ones that I had on my finger left over, and that's all of the swatches right there, and they're swatching pretty good. So for this palette to be a dupe, I would give this a 9, again simply because I have not used them on my eyes yet, and this is just a true unboxing and first impressions video. So I will show you guys quickly the app that I ordered from. A lot of you probably have already heard of Hush already. Hush is a brand, and they just recently created a app where you can order anything from their app free. This is not a sponsored video, by the way, just to let you know, but I'm going to show you guys on my phone the app right quick. So that's the Hush. This is the Hush app. I'm actually clicking on it, and so this is what the Hush app looks like, and I'm actually going to go to the best sellers icon on the app and show you guys the Sweets palette, because the Sweets palette is actually one of their best sellers. It's a prominent item. It sells pretty well. So let me pick up my camera. So they have lots of dupes for palettes, if you guys can see, and the prices on here are pretty affordable. Like this first palette is $14. The next two palettes is $12. They have a Nicole Guerrero highlighter palette dupe, which is called the Rose Highlight Palette. It's only $12. That's the next one I'm going to get. But real quick, I'm just going to scroll on past these to show you guys the Sugar palette. This is the palette that I currently have right now that I'm showing you guys. And look at the price on it. $10. It's only $10 for this dupe palette. So that's why I had to do a review on it. Again, this is not a sponsored video, but just buying it and the packaging, it looks exactly like how it looks on the site. Let's scroll some of the pictures. Exactly how it looks on the site. So far, the swatches are really good pigmentation, except for one of the colors that didn't swatch that well. That's why I'm going to rate it a 9, and as well as that I haven't actually worn these yet. So, yeah, so I say go check out Hush. Also, a good thing about the Hush app is that if you order, you can go on Hush.com and look at these, but everything that's on the Hush website is not on the Hush app. So I would strongly encourage going to the Hush app and downloading that, not only because you get everything that Hush offers as far as products, but because it's free shipping on this app. If you order from this app, it does not matter how small your order or how large your order will always be free shipping. So I strongly encourage you guys to go check the Hush app out, as well as you get great makeup, free shipping all the time, and you get to be a part of a community, as you can see, of other makeup lovers, and see pictures of them and just pictures of how they love to do their makeup, and just get to talk and communicate with other makeup lovers. So I think this is a great app. It's one of my favorite apps. I strongly encourage you guys to go check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video, an unboxing of the Sugar Hush palette. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you rate this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Again, it's not sponsored. It's just something that I want to do just to bring more awareness to this brand, and definitely to this palette, because so far so good. And I will be ordering more from Hush, so you guys will definitely be hearing more from Hush from me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, follow me on my social links, and all of the companies I'm an ambassador for, as far as clothing and or fashion and beauty wise are below. They're always in the description box along with the codes. Make sure you check those sites out as well. I have more videos like this and more coming for you guys. Thanks again for the love and the support, and I will check you guys out and you check me out in my next video. You guys have an awesome week.